Let me show you all of the Pro Mode settings for a camera in Pixel 10. So first of all, we need to open our camera app. Next step is to click on this gear icon right here, and then we can see Pro Settings. Now this is the first step of Pro Settings. There's many more that I'm gonna show you in a moment. So you can change your camera resolution with 12 megapixels or 50 megapixels. You can also get a RAW plus JPEG image or just a JPEG version of that image. There's also lens selection that you can use auto settings or manual. Let's stick with the manual for now, and then you can change this lens with ultra wide, wide, or with the T. I forgot actually a word, the shortcut for it. So anyway, let's move to the Pro settings. You can click on this three lines right here, and this allows you to adjust the multiple different settings. We have the shadows. You can adjust the contrast between the shadows and light areas with this slider. You can go for 0 for optimal settings. Exposure allows you to increase the light on your pictures or decrease it as well. Then there's the white balance. You can change more to the bluish tone of colors to the left and more orangey colors to the right. And of course, if you keep it in the middle, it should be balanced. Then there's the focus. You can use the autofocus for autofocus, or you can adjust it manually to if you want to have depth of field on your photos. I prefer the auto settings though. Then there's the shutter speed. You can adjust how long your shutter will remain open after you take a photos. So if you go right here, your photos will be darker, but it will take 100,000 seconds photo, and it will be very quick. If you decide to go on the right, your camera shutter will can stay up for 16 seconds, and that way it will catch more light into the shutter and your photos will be very bright. So use this with caution and just try to find the best options for it. I just prefer to lower the brightness on basically every setting that allows it, and then take a shutter speed to a higher level, but you need to maintain your camera very steady. If you move your phone only tiny bit, then the photo will be blurry. So also if you pick a longer shutter speed, then make sure that you have a stand or something for your phone. ISO also allows you to adjust the brightness, but you will need to reset shutter speed to adjust it. And that is basically each and every Pro setting that you can find for camera on this specific device. So thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.